Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a TOS SN50C. That's a 20 by 80 lathe. Gap bed. All original paint. Newall 2-axis digital readout. Spindle speeds to 2000 RPM. The lighting's not the best in here, but you can see this machine is super clean. All the paint's in the backsplash, so how many hours can really be on this anyway? The ways are excellent. No ridges or any kind of wear on the front, front or rear. Aloris CA Toolpost that have a few holders. Bison chuck that appears to be about a 12-inch, somewhere around there. Bison 3-jaw just true. 2 steady rests, one with about a 10 1/4 hole, one with a 5-inch hole. There's a nice large number 5 Morse taper center in great shape. You can see the all around, the paint's excellent. There's your coolant pump. This camera takes a moment to focus. Currently wired for 230 volt, but these are all 230 460. Very quiet, smooth machine. Feeding to the headstock. You see this machine is not beat up. All the paint's on the compound. Shut this light off. All the paint's on the compound. The compound wasn't crashed. Low speed. Neutral. That's your high. Let's see. Slow speeds. Let's see. See the digital readout? Digital works fine. There's your cross feed. Cross feed working fine. Let's zero that. Let's see. Well, we're in metric. Let's put it in English. And the cross feed. I'm into carriage feed. The only thing we don't have on this machine is the little aluminum cap that goes around the feed handle. It's not very important. Easy to make one, but so there you have it. You want a nice clean TOS lathe, this is the ticket. Check it out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.